Just because you're not getting your way.
I'm rude?
This is my property.
Yo, bitch, do your fucking job.
That's what I am.
Want me to be fucking rude?
That's what I am doing.
Huh?
That's what I am
Yeah?
doing.
Then let me get my motherfucking shit.
That's what we're
These are moments when cops put entitled Karens in their place. Starting with the first situation.
Don't close the window. I got her. I got motherfucker. I don't.
On May 19th, 2024, police were called about a woman who had been kicked out of the house by her boyfriend and was causing a disturbance.
What do you need me to write down? What do you need to write down?
I have like 3 things I would like him to just grab, and he could leave it outside or give it to her or whatever, and I'll be on my merry way.
And those items are.
I can't write it down myself.
I'm not giving you my pad and pen, okay? Because you've been
Why?
extremely rude. I'm not just going.
Because I've been rude?
Do you want me to write it down?
Just say it.
You don't think there's...
Just say the.
No, you're...
Listen, just because you're not getting your way.
I'm rude?
This is my property.
Yo, bitch, do your fucking job.
That's what I am.
Want me to be fucking rude?
That's what I am doing.
Huh?
That's what I am
Yeah?
doing.
Then let me get my motherfucking shit.
That's what we're trying to do.
Yeah? How?
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 Because my sergeant's speaking with him right
I
now.
don't give a fuck, yo, you ugly piece of shit.
Take a walk.
You think I'm fucking rude?
Take a walk.
You fucking take a walk.
Relax. What are the 3 items?
Oh. You're dumb as shit. You little ass fucking brain, bitch.
When officers questioned her, she was repeatedly uncooperative and verbally abusive.
What'd you say?
I wasn't talking.
Oh, sorry. I think whispering's a little fucking rude.
I'm talking to my partner.
Oh, okay.
How about that?
Fine. I'm here. We can talk.
Okay, well, you could back up a little bit.
I don't really want to.
Huh?
I don't want to. I'm hard of
Well,
hearing.
why are you getting in my personal space?
I'm
Let's
not.
start
Oh,
with
I'm
that.
sorry. You're in my personal space. I'm pretty sure that I reside here.
Doesn't his mom own the property? If he doesn't want me here, then he could ask me not to be here or his mother, right? You're just a tenant. You're a tenant. You understand that?
Yeah, I'm not trying to stay here, so you're fucking being rude. So shut the fuck up.
You were sitting over there and you want to come over here and start running your mouth.
Because you won't give me a pen.
Why do I have to?
To try and hurry up and end this.
Because I work hard for my property
You
and
don't
my
fucking
money.
work hard, bitch. Look at what the fuck you're doing. You're fucking
Really?
playing charades. You're being a fucking actor. That's what the fuck you're doing.
After a period of chaos, she finally calmed down and stated what she needed to retrieve before leaving.
Our sergeant's asking, what do you need out of the residence? Can I tell him the 3 items?
There's about 3 to 4 very important items to me that I would like before I leave here.
Okay, what are they?
They're sensitive to me. Can I just write them down and give it to you, please? Or I'll tell you and you can write them down. Can I tell you what they are and you can write them down and do that? Because fuck you, sorry. I'm not talking
Same to you.
Alright, what is it?
4 important items.
I need my purse.
Okay.
It should have at least one good looking vape in it. It's like pinkish.
Okay, your purse?
Yes.
What else?
Hopefully there's a license in that purse.
A phone?
Technically all the phones
So you
are
just-
his,
you just need
so
your-
he could fucking keep them. He's not giving me any numbers, so that's a game I'm
Stand by
gonna
that one.
lose anyway, so don't even bother.
I'm a piece of shit because I work for my money because I wouldn't give her my pad and pen.
My medications that I need are in there. So, like, in the next 3 minutes, if someone doesn't let me in to go grab my shit, what am I supposed to do?
In the next 3
Because
minutes?
that's like an emergency then, right?
You're having a medical emergency?
Yeah, I'm about to.
I'll
I've
call
been
you-
waiting here for
If you need an
when
ambulance-
How long?
If you need an ambulance, let me know.
No, I need my medication.
We're working on that right now.
No, oh,
Wait, he's not answering the door for us, so we have a sergeant talking to him.
However, instead of entering the house in a calm, orderly manner, she tried to climb through a window and banged on the front door.
We're not going there right now.
Dave,
Stop. Don't close the window. I got her. I got motherfucker. I don't care. So are you. You're not going to close the window on my hand. Right now? When? You don't slam it on my head.
You don't get it. It's just you trying to hang yourself by ceiling fan next year.
No, the f I didn't, Dave! No, give me my purse!
Relax.
Give me my purse! Dave, go!
Relax.
She wants an Adderall? Fuck.
No, I want my fucking Xanax and my fucking vape and a phone to call my fucking mother!
They're also going to call the jail and let them know that it's going to be on their way.
Everything that comes out of my mouth, he's gonna get arrested, and that's like not what I'm trying to do here. So if someone can get me my fucking purse and the 3 things that I want, you all can leave and go on with your fucking day.
Yeah, you're causing a disturbance.
Oh,
Let's go.
and he's
Let's
not.
go. Let's go.
Please do not touch
Let's
me.
go.
Do not touch
Come on.
me.
You're calling. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. He's
I'm not-
grabbing your stuff. You're not helping.
Yeah, I've been
yourself
here in there
out.
for 30 minutes. My legal
Relax.
shit is in there, and I don't want him to have it.
Relax.
You fucking relax, bro.
Stop.
Stop.
Realizing the situation had escalated beyond control, officers were forced to arrest her, but she resisted aggressively.
Now you're under arrest.
For what? For
Disorderly
what?
conduct.
No.
Don't resist.
Today.
Do not resist.
Okay.
And criminal mischief.
Yeah! Stop, bro! Dave, I f***ing hate you, yo!
Okay.
Ow, my fucking arm! You're gonna fucking break it, you fucking pussy! Yo! Fucking! Yo!
Why don't you just act when you're leaving?
Act my way! Ow, 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 ow! Ow, chill!
Stop putting on the act.
Yo! Stop!
Get in.
Yo! I don't give a
Put your foot in.
Yo! Leave me the Chill! My fucking back is fractured! Stop! Go! My back is fucking fractured! Stop! Ow!
Even at the station, she continued arguing as if she had done nothing wrong.
Ow, I can't even. Ow.
Let's go inside and I'll have first aid come and look at you. Nope.
No.
Go this way.
Okay, well, can you tell me where so I can get there, please?
Yeah, this black bench right here.
Where?
There's a black bench right here.
Straight. I can't sit straight
Then you
like
can
that.
lean to the side. You have plenty of room in your handcuffs.
Okay, it's
Just
not
lean.
about fucking having room. I can't fucking. Okay, so he pressed charges on me. Or what does that mean? I'm under arrest because of whatever you said in the car. Can you explain to me what that means?
What do you mean? Criminal mischief and obstruction?
So they're just charges. I don't fucking get in trouble. Can you explain? I'm asking. You're an officer, I'm asking.
You broke a window. That is criminal mischief. Okay, we were conducting an investigation and you're continuing to act up and prevent us from conducting our investigation.
This Karen was accused of 5 crimes, including hindering the administration of justice aggravated assault on a police officer, criminal mischief, hurling bodily fluid at law enforcement. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to LawCam X360 for more content. Stay tuned, because the next Karen reacts even more aggressively.
At this point, you are being transparent.
Okay, listen. Can you listen to us for 1 second?
We can look and
They
get your stuff.
never called us.
They don't have to.
On March 11th, 2025, officers were dispatched to a motel to remove 2 women who had been causing disturbances. According to staff, they had been making excessive noise for days and refused to leave despite repeated requests.
Hey, Y'all want to find?
I think that they called for us.
Yeah,
I think we had a noise complaint or something like that.
But they didn't
so
call out.
Stop hollering. Stop hollering.
Okay, I'm sorry.
The thing is, we never got a noise complaint. She just came to our door and told us that we have to leave. So we never knew that we were being loud or making noise or anything like that. So we're just curious as to like why. She never explained that. She was at our door.
They want you to leave.
Yeah,
Right.
and usually they call our phone and tell us that we have noise complaint, but they didn't call us. She just came up to our door.
Or come to the door and tell us, hey, you're making noise. Can you like?
You let him in?
Can you? Never got an update on us being, loud.
Okay. But what?
Okay, so because that's illegal.
Down here.
Okay.
Okay, so can y'all work with us? Okay, so listen, can you talk to us right now?
But you're constantly announcing to me, and that's the problem. We're not think I'm here, like, I don't think I'm really being heard. That's the problem here.
I'm listening to you.
She can't tell us that we have to leave without
Actually, she can.
for noise.
Yeah, she
but
can.
we looked it up.
When the women continued to refuse, officers raised their voices to regain control, and only the blonde woman eventually cooperated by starting to pack her belongings.
Listen.
Listen. No,
Hold on,
can
one
you
second.
please talk
So
to
listen,
me?
let me explain to you.
No,
Listen to me.
because she's
You-
gonna,
listen, hang on.
she's gonna.
One second. Listen to me. You can get your stuff and leave. You're being trespassed. If you refuse to do that, I will put you in handcuffs.
These
I
are
will put you
for another day.
I will put you in handcuffs and take you to jail. You are being trespassed now.
Just stop.
At this point, you are being trespassed.
Okay,
That's my request.
okay, listen, can you listen to us for 1 second?
Would you go up and get
They
your
never
stuff?
called us.
They don't have to.
Okay, but
normally hotels call us.
the hotel was part. You're not listening to our part.
I'm listening to you.
You want us to walk up and get our things with you, but we're trying to explain to you what's going on. You don't even know what's going on, and you're just walking into, like a blind
Listen,
skid.
they never called us.
telling you
us that we had to leave.
is that nobody ever knocked on my door.
They don't have to. They don't have to.
They're loud now.
Okay, come on, hey, listen, we're done. Hey, we're done. Get your stuff. Let's go. We're done. Let's go.
First of all, don't be disrespectful.
Get your stuff.
Point doesn't mean very much.
Last chance. Go get your stuff and leave. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs, take you to jail.
Okay, so but this is
Last chance.
I'm talking to him.
Yeah, we're gonna talk to him because
That's fine.
clearly Officer Owens doesn't really know about what's going on.
Actually, I do.
You
Okay,
know,
can you tell me what's going on?
but what we're saying
Listen,
is that
we're not talking to him. We're talking
No,
to
I'm
him.
talking to Mr. Smith. That's who I'm talking to.
Okay, we're talking
So
to
what we're
Mr.
saying
Smith.
is nobody ever knocked on our door. We never got a call saying, "Hey, ma'am, you're making a lot of noise. Can you please keep it down?" She came straight to our door and said, "You guys have to leave." That's
what I'm
illegal.
saying.
So,
Normally,
okay.
can we talk? Can we say something? Can we say something?
Let me stop you right there.
Okay, can I say something,
You will.
please?
Let me stop you right there before you progress, right? Here, you don't have to, right?
Okay.
At any point in time,
Okay.
they can ask you to leave.
Okay, but listen, I'm from Alabama, so during all things, we have to they have to trespass on us
But
in
you're
order
not-
for us to
You're
leave.
not in Alabama. You're in Tallahassee, Florida.
Okay, I
And then-
understand that.
Okay, hold on.
At any point in time, they can
Okay,
ask
I'm
you to
talking
I'm
ask
sure I looked it up, but I'm just making sure I looked it up for you guys. You know, I just want to make sure that's what it says. So in Tallahassee,
But can you talk to me?
do
Can you talk to me?
hotel concierge.
But listen, can I ask you something? Listen, okay, I don't want him involved. Okay, so can they just walk up to our room and tell us that we're being loud?
Yes.
And tell us to leave? I'm not telling you. Please.
I'm telling you the
Okay,
law.
I understand. I'm not being disrespectful.
So get your stuff. Let's walk and talk.
Can I please
Let's walk
talk
and
to
talk.
you?
You're being loud. There's people out here.
I'm sorry.
Let's walk and talk. Come on.
Listen, I'm trying to talk to you. I'm sorry for holding your hand or anything like that. If you don't feel uncomfortable, I'm trying to talk to you. But honestly, they didn't call us and tell us that. Okay, so I didn't know that. I'm from Alabama, so I didn't know that. But listen, can we?
Exactly.
Do you want to grab your stuff now?
No.
Ma'am. Are you coming to grab your stuff?
Oh yes, I sure am.
Okay. Let's go.
Okay, give me a second.
No, let's go.
Hold
No.
on, I'm looking up something. You can wait.
At that point, officers had no choice but to place the woman in white under arrest.
Oh, but I'm not scared. Like,
Put
that's
your
the
put your
thing.
buddy back.
You're not understanding.
You're
That's
never
what I'm
gonna-
saying.
stop.
But I'm not. What am I
Stop.
under arrest for?
Trespassing. After one.
But that's the thing. I paid for this hotel room. My
That's
name's
fine.
on the hotel room. So
Stop.
give me 1 second to grab my things.
Stop. You're under arrest at this point.
Okay.
Please come. Please come. Please don't do that.
You gotta listen. It sound like she in handcuffs already.
389. I got 1 10 15.
That's what happens when you don't listen.
Alright.
You guys don't understand that you're gonna like. There's nothing. I paid for this room. My name's on
I'm
the
trying to
room.
explain the law to you. You're not listening to me.
Okay, usually when I'm in a hotel room, they will come to the door, but I'm not yelling. That's what you're not understanding. My voice is at a very, like low tempo.
Your friend can get your stuff out of the room.
Okay.
Take her to a car. Put her in a car. Look, she's under arrest.
The key to the room.
Give us the key to the
I'm
room.
not going, like, calm down. Don't cry.
We need the key to the room.
So, if you're in the hotel room, right, Officer Owens?
We need the key to the room.
Oh, we don't have the key to the room.
I'll get one. Don't worry.
No! Like, oh my God.
As she was being escorted away, the red-haired woman remained compliant and kept packing her things.
Stop. She's not listening. She wants to stand here and make her point. Where's your car key?
I don't have it, sorry. I think you should press 1, though. That'll get us downstairs, right?
You know, man.
Okay.
Will you get out there and get another key? Hey. Quiet down, okay?
Do you mind uncuffing me, though?
No, absolutely.
So what am I under arrest for?
Trespass after warning.
Oh, trespassing for what? After 1, you said?
Warning.
Oh, after a warning.
Yes.
Oh, I wasn't warned. Unfortunately, I wasn't warned that I was making noise or I was trespassing.
That's fine.
That's not fine.
Where are you from?
I'm from Alabama.
Where is she from?
Los Angeles.
Well, listen.
But I'm with her.
Listen to me. Listen, this is the problem. Nobody's listening. They want to talk to the people.
I'm trying to talk to
Listen.
you.
In the state of Florida, any hotel can have you leave.
Okay, wait, can you come here?
You gotta get the key. Come on.
So yeah, usually when I'm at like hotels and stuff though, like usually like the
Here or
concierge-
Alabama?
I mean, I've never been to a hotel area. I've never been out here.
That's
That's probably why it is, huh? But usually when I'm getting like you know, like a noise complaint or even just like apartments or houses and stuff, you know, usually like, hey, you guys are making a lot of noise. Can you guys calm down? That will usually be like something that I was used to, you know? Does that make sense?
That's fine. That's good.
Okay.
We're gonna let her get her stuff. She gave her a choice to leave. She doesn't leave, she'll go to jail too. Okay.
No, I'm with her.
Go up there and get your stuff. Come on.
I'm with her.
You don't want to go there. She's going to jail.
I'm with her.
Go get your stuff.
That's the only person I'm with.
I need you to not be so loud. Okay, that's why we're here to begin with.
No, I'm trying to tell you, I'm with her.
Well, she should have listened.
I can't go without her.
Why not?
Because I don't know.
I'm not talking.
I'm sorry.
Just talk. Just breathe and talk.
I mean, but I'm under arrest.
Yes.
You have to read my Miranda rights if I'm under arrest.
No, I don't.
You do. It's legal.
Nope, not here.
It is.
Nope. You got anything on you that I need to know about?
No, I don't think so. We're telling you that we weren't even being
They're
loud.
telling you to get off the property, right?
Right.
And if we're telling you to get off the property,
Okay. Up on Google, you guys are very, very, very pretentious. And I'm not from out here, like I said, so.
listen.
Can you please not take me to jail? I mean, I'm not from here.
I do not care. Come on, listen. Go this way. Go this way. Go this way. Go this way. Walk. 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 Walk.
I want to make sure.
If you do not walk, we are going to have a problem.
What are we going to do? What are we going to add to the list
Get
of arresting?
into the back of the car.
If we don't walk, what's going to happen? That's so like, why are you acting like this? Stop
Stick
it.
closer to 3 now.
Stop it.
Go ahead. Hey, can one of y'all come out here? She's refusing to walk.
I'm not refusing to walk. He's a liar. I just want to know, like, where's my thing?
Let's walk to the back of the car.
I don't want.
Walk to the back of the car.
I'm not like. Don't you guys have people for like murders and people who are robbing banks and stuff? Like, why do you
One
want
of y'all
me?
comes out
Hello.
here. Hey, Mo. Come over.
There's so much going on.
You called us over here.
I mean, I wasn't even making noise. I just don't like. I don't get it.
Now keep your hand behind your back, okay?
What are we doing? Get the bag off.
The woman in white was then questioned shortly after being placed inside the patrol vehicle.
Get the bag off. What takes it?
Am I able to see my things?
Nope. Yeah.
Hello, Tim?
Yes.
Okay.
What is your first name?
My first name is Destiny.
Destiny. Let me explain something to you. Where are you from, first off?
I'm from LA.
LA. Okay, so we're in Florida. So just because you Google something doesn't mean it's right.
Okay.
In the state of Florida, anybody who owns any kind of property, whether it be a parking lot, a hotel, a private residence, anything, they can ask you to leave anytime. I understand you paid for your room. Somehow you have done something to upset them. They don't have to give me a reason. They don't have to give you a reason. They just say, hey, I want them to leave. I want them trespassed.
I understand, because usually when I get trespassed, they'll knock on my door.
So you get trespassed often?
No, it's not that, not trespass, but like usually when I have like a noise complaint, they'll be like, hey, you're making a lot of noise. Can you calm it down? Like usually they'll give me a warning. She just came to my door and said, you have never told us that we were being loud. She never said that, hey, we have a noise complaint from your neighbors. You're being loud. You have to leave our premises. She just said you have to leave. She never specified as to why, like, we were.
Well, maybe she should have explained it to you a little better, but she doesn't. Legally, she doesn't have to. And this could be the first incident. She could literally wake up and say, I don't like them anymore. I want them to leave. And that's in Florida. That's fine.
I didn't know that it was like this though. Like everybody's been really rude to us. I have a case number actually because we just got the police called on us when we tried to check into the first hotel. The concierge was not trying to let us check in. She was being really rude and just like, everybody's been rude to us out here. I didn't think that you guys were on my side. So that's why I started Googling stuff, because I thought that you guys were.
And I don't know any cop that gets paid to be on anybody's side. We have to like go right down the middle. Like I said,
I guess this is a civil matter.
Well, it was civil until you decided you didn't want to leave after you were told. Then it became criminal.
Okay.
So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go back up there, make sure you're free and get the rest of y'all's stuff, and I'm gonna come back down here.
Okay.
Don't give this officer any issues, and then when I come back out, we'll have another conversation. Okay?
Okay.
All right. You understand now, though, how what works, how it's working? Okay.
In the end, she was charged with failure to vacate the premises, obstructing law enforcement, and refusing to comply with police. This case shows that ignoring lawful orders and refusing to cooperate will only escalate the situation and lead to arrest, a clear example of how defiance makes everything worse. Now, let's move straight into the next situation.
In your room.
Really?
Go in your room.
You gonna tell me what to do now, dude?
I'm telling you to go in your room.
Nah, you don't tell me.
On December 9th, 2024, officers were dispatched to a residence after a mother reported that her daughter had triggered a violent dispute following an incident where the family dog bit the daughter's child.
Happened tonight? Well, he'll give me the rundown.
Apparently they got into it over, started with, she did something to the dog, and one thing led to another. But.
Yeah, and Pop's dog, you know, dog. What's that dog?
Sure. What type of dog is it again?
Neapolitan Mastiff. So, you know.
Okay. I guess she hit her in the face with a closed, fist, and I don't know what exactly. How did your arm get messed up?
Trying to protect the damn dog.
Gotcha.
It's Pop's dog, you know.
And then so she was coming at you as you were trying to keep the dog squared away.
Yeah.
So how long did y'all physically fight for?
Yeah, well, I want to ask Pop. Ask Pop, because but she's sitting in there, yakking to herself on me, as I told you last time.
Yeah, she's still using. Yeah. How do you know she's using?
I'm not a rocket scientist,
Sure.
but I do know a few people.
Yeah.
And when you sitting there smoking,
I got you.
Anyway.
She's got jewelry missing. She's stealing stuff from her, and there's people showing up at the house.
How does she get around? People.
And I've cut all of them down.
Yeah.
To Pops, because that's the main one.
I got you.
Don't want to get in trouble either, because she does have a little son.
She's doing this to herself. All right, this isn't you. This is all her. She's got a son. She should know better. From the outside looking in, it shows how much she cares about her son if she's doing this.
After speaking with the mother, officers gathered a statement from a neutral witness, the grandfather, but the daughter kept interrupting, raising her voice, and creating further disturbance.
Okay, he could just... Oh, the door's open?
He's tying it up. What's your granddaughter's name?
Christina.
So Christina, I got you. So she swung at Dorothy, hit her in the face. And then what happened?
Dorothy got out. Yeah, person thing I seen. They laying over there on the floor.
I got you.
That is a really hot.
Hey.
I swung at her.
Really?
Now look at
my son's eye. No. Look at my son's eye.
We
He fell
are
on top of
investigating
it.
this. I get it. Everything
Listen to me.
escalates.
That is my child. We live here.
Okay.
That dog fell on. My son fell on the dog. He snapped at him. She jumped up. Yes, she swung at me. I swung back.
Okay,
That's what happened.
I'm gonna hear your
understand.
story.
I don't need you to hear my story. I got proof.
When officers instructed her to step into a room, she refused to comply, forcing them to place her under arrest on the spot.
Go in your room.
Really?
Go in your room.
You gonna tell me what to do now, dude?
I'm telling you to go in your room.
Nah, you don't tell me what to do.
Go in your room.
What? Oh, what? Take out. Man, yo, you better get up off me, man. For what?
Turn around.
For what?
On your back.
For what? Ridiculous.
You gotta go in your room. Yeah, she ain't going nowhere.
You done made me, she ain't going nowhere. Made me go in my room?
I told you, I'm just.
Dad, dude.
Yeah,
What's wrong?
we are investigating this situation.
You're wild. Okay, investigate then. Don't assault me. You are.
assault you.
Really? What do you call this? What do you call this? No, detain. No, this is a piece of your badge. A piece of your badge.
Domestic assault.
I'm the one bleeding. I have.
Do you want to see rescue? Do you want to see
You tell me, man.
You tell me.
I'm trying to tell you I'm brought, man.
Okay.
Look at my son's eye.
All right. Do you want to see rescue? I'm told you we are further investigating all of this. Okay, let's walk.
Yeah.
Bye, Mommy.
Love you, bud.
I told you we were going to talk.
You don't need to tell me.
You don't just come out like yelling and.
You don't tell me to go in my room. I live.
She was then escorted to the patrol vehicle after being restrained.
Here. Last time I was helping pay the bills here, dude. I'm speaking my. I didn't abuse you. I didn't do nothing. Did nothing to jeopardize
You were
What did I do to
interfering with our
intimidate? I'm sorry. Your investigation?
Yes.
Son, honey. I'm sorry. How old are you, bud?
Doesn't matter.
Exactly.
It doesn't matter.
Exactly.
How old are you?
Old enough. Little
Yeah.
Jack. Thank God,
Sure.
little Jack ain't stuff, man. Yeah, little Jack. Put your little ass in the car, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my stepdad. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah, little Jack.
Actually, let me double lock her real quick.
Dude.
Do you need to see rescue?
I know, you tell me. You're taking me to
Yes
jail
or no?
again. This is twice. For what?
Well-
The dog bit me.
And I told you we're not done with
Look
this
at that.
yet. Yeah, I see.
You don't see that?
I see it.
Okay, and I'm in there and I'm trying to stay away. Y'all put me in cuffs. Like, what the f?
Because
This
I
is
told you.
harassment. It's harassment.
We were investigating
You don't
a
have to
situation.
investigate.
You
No,
came out.
You can listen to what I'm trying to tell you.
And I
Stop
told you we
listening
were
to
going
it.
to talk to you.
And I talked.
And we're still going to talk.
No,
okay?
you was demanding me to go to my room.
Because you came out and
You were hollering and screaming in his face.
I was in his face?
Come on.
Pretty much.
Sean, dude, come on, man.
Just relax.
Sean,
Relax.
In the end, she was charged with simple assault against a family member for engaging in physical violence during a domestic dispute. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to LawCam X360 for more content.